Hello friends, good morning. This is May month important day at day series. I am happy to announce that we are completed 1 year making this series, and we have started from June 2020. It is May 2021, like almost 1 year. And please see all the series if you are not seen it. It will be very much helpful to you, and that will be very impactful for your knowledge base. So thank you, and I'm going to start with May month important day and say series. Please let's start. On 1st May, it is observed as International Labour Day. The day is also known as International Workers Day. On 2nd May, we have celebrated World Laughter Day. This day was celebrated on first Sunday of May every year, but in this year, this day falls on 2nd May. 2nd May also we have celebrated World Tuna Day. This day was celebrated by United Nations to raise awareness about the importance of tuna fish. This day was first celebrated in the year of 2017. 3rd May we have celebrated World Press Freedom Day. The theme for World Press Freedom Day 2021 is Information as a Public Good. 4th May we have celebrated World Asthma Day. World Asthma Day is observed every year on the first Tuesday of May. In this year it is observed on 4th May. This year theme is Uncovering Asthma Misconception. 5th May we have celebrated World Hand Hygiene Day. This year theme is Seconds Save Lives. Clean your hands. 5th May we have also celebrated International Day of the Midwife. Theme is Follow the Data, Invest in Midwives. The day was first celebrated on the 5th May 1991. 5th May also we have celebrated World Athletic Day. This day was first celebrated on 5th May 1996. 6th May we have celebrated International No Diet Day. This day is celebrated on 6th May every year. Its symbol is a light blue ribbon. It's a annual celebration of body acceptance, including fat acceptance and body shape diversity. On 8th May we have celebrated World Thalassemia Day. This year theme is addressing health inequality across global thalassemia community. 8th May we have celebrated World Migratory Birds Day. This year theme is Sing, Fly, Soar like a bird. 8th May we have celebrated World Red Cross Day and Red Crescent Day. This year theme is Unstoppable. This day also marks as a birth anniversary of Henry Dunant, who was founder of the International Committee of the Red Cross. 10th May we have celebrated International Day of Argania. In 2021, the United Nations General Assembly proclaimed 10th May as the International Day of Argania. This resolution was submitted by Morocco, was co-sponsored by 113 member states in UN. The argan tree is a native species of the sub-Saharan region of Morocco. On 15th May we have celebrated International Day of Families. This year theme is Families and New Technology. 16th May we have celebrated National Dengue Day. This day was initiated by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare to raise awareness about dengue. Dengue is spread through the bite of female mosquito. It is called Aedes aegypti. 16th May we have celebrated International Day of Living Together in Peace. This day was first celebrated 2018 by UN General Assembly. On 16th May we have also celebrated International Day of Light. This day is celebrated on 16th May every year to mark anniversary of the first successful operation of the laser in 1960 by physicist and engineer Theodora Maiman. This year theme is Trust Science. 17th May we have celebrated World Telecommunication and Information Society Day. This year theme is Accelerating Digital Transformation in Challenging Times. 17th May we have also celebrated World Hypertension Day. This year theme is Measure Your Blood Pressure Accurately, Control it, Live Longer. 18th May we have celebrated World AIDS Vaccine Day. World AIDS Vaccine Day, also known as HIV Vaccine Awareness Day. This day was first celebrated on 18th May 1998 to commemorate the birth anniversary of Bill Clinton's speech. Also on 18th May we have celebrated International Museum Day. This year theme is the future of museum, recover and reimagine. This day was first observed in 1977. On 22nd May we have celebrated International Day for Biological Diversity. This year theme is we are the part of the solution. Previous year theme was our solution are in nature. On 23rd May we have celebrated World Turtle Day. The theme for World Turtle Day in this year is Turtles Rock. This day was first observed in 2000 by American Tortoise Rescue, a non-profit organization which is established in 1990. On 26th May we have celebrated Vesak Day. Vesak Day is observed globally on 26th May every year. This day is day of full moon, is the most sacred day to Buddhists all over the world. On this day Lord Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment. On 28th May we have celebrated International Day of Action for Women's Health. This day is also known as International Women's Day since May 28, 1987 to raise awareness on the issues related to women's health and well-being. Also on 28th May we have celebrated World Hunger Day. This objective is for this day is to raise awareness about more than 820 million people living in chronic hunger worldwide. This day was first started in this year of 2011 by Hunger Project. India ranked 94 among the 107 nations in the Global Hunger Index 2020. 28th May we have celebrated Amnesty International Day. The Amnesty International was founded by 28th May 1961 in London. It is a non-government organization that focuses protection of human rights. The organization was won Nobel Peace Prize on 1977 for its defense of human dignity against torture. On 28th May it is observed as World Digestive Health Day. This year theme is obesity, an ongoing pandemic. This day was launched 2004 to mark 45th anniversary of the World Gastroenterology Organization. 29th May we celebrated International Everest Day. Nepal's Tenzing Norgay and New Zealand's Edmund Hillary had climbed Mount Everest on this day in 1953 as the first human to achieve the feat. On 29th May also we have celebrated International Day of United Nations Peacekeeper. This year theme is the road to lasting peace, leveraging the power of youth for peace and security. On 31st May we have celebrated World No Tobacco Day. Every year on 31st May the World Health Organization, which is called as WHO, and global partner to celebrate World No Tobacco Day to raise awareness on the harmful and deadly effect of tobacco uses. Thank you for watching. This is from May month, May 21, important day and date series. Please suggest if any improvement is required, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.